My last song is another one of mine. This one is one that I've been thinking about a lot lately about kind of the warring voices in your head, the ones that tell you that you're all right and the ones that tell you that you aren't, and trying to listen to the right one. So this one's called Angel of My Better Nature. Rolling out of Nancy, riding on a southbound train. Silky fog won't slow my engine down. I'm heading to the big city, sing my song and make my name. The Lord is gonna help me make it big in Memphis town. $10 to my name, and now I really need a beer. I don't know whatever made me think that I could make it here. These people are so fancy and they have so much to do. I need to find a way to talk to them the way I talk to you. Since I was a young boy, I wanted to be a star. My only tools, my words, my voice, and this here black guitar. As I laid my soul to view, what songs meant to appeal, I search for ways to break on through and to show the big reveal. Why are you so stupid? They don't hear a thing you say. No one would even notice if you just turned and walked away. The songs you sing are just your songs, they'll never understand. And here you're up there thinking that they're in the palm of your hand. On my shoulders, who will I listen to? The one who tells me all is well or brings a darker view. Two angels on my shoulder and they're both making good points. The angel of my better nature just handed me a joint. Stay all night here drinking like I used to do. Stumble through my bright tomorrow, languishing in stew. Slowly boiling over until my last nerve hits the road. My self-worth tied directly to my lack of self-control. Tomorrow is a day I write, so I signal for the bill. The next time I'm in this here hall, I'll have one more song still. I'm glad I rode that train down south, didn't change my mind.
showed up right on time. Two angels on my shoulder, who will I listen to? The one who tells me all is well, or who brings a darker view? Two angels on my shoulder, and they're both making good points. The angel of my better nature just handed me a joint. Oh, the angel with my best intention handed me a joint.
Thank you so much, Biers. You guys have been amazing. Thank you.
All right, Super Joe. Next up, we have Anita.
Good job, Joe. Thank you. We were worried you weren't coming.